then, should I put, how much should I put? Should I put that much? A lot? That's a lot to me. Ready, preschool? Oh, look what's happening. What's happening, preschool? It's falling down. Wow, look at that. It's making bubbles. Now, what do you think is going to happen if I add a little bit more? What do you think is going to happen? If I add more, what's going to happen? It's going to stop? Let's see.
Are we going to have more bubbles?
Oh, I thought it would be more bubbles as well, but it didn't do anything. Look, it's leaking. Look at how quickly that's coming out. First, I'm going to put this in. Okay. Then, I'm going to put... Ooh, it went on me. Then I'm going to put some colour in. Let's see if it's going to colour for us. So, hopefully...
Oh, no!
Ready? Let's see if the colour's going to come out. Because you don't push. I'm going to put one in. Let's see. Hey! Look at that. It works. Is it turning yellow?
Yeah.
It looks orange to me, preschool. Oh no, look what's happening. It's falling down. Move back, please. No, move back, please. Let it come out first.